Hello, today I'm going to be doing a Sudoku puzzle from Colin's Big Book of Sudoku in Book 9. I think these are all considered easy Sudoku puzzles, or certainly not hard Sudoku puzzles. I watch a lot of people play Sudoku. I play a decent amount. I have a separate little tattered Sudoku book that I do in my own, use in my own free time. But I thought we could go over doing one today and see how that feels. So I do them annoyingly methodically. So I will look at each digit in each square. So for example, 1, I want to see where it is, if I can find where 1 is here. I know that it can't go in either of these, but it could go in any of these 4, so I don't yet know. 1 again, because of that 1 crosses here, so it could be either of these two, which doesn't tell us where it is here, but it does tell us that it's in one of 3 places on this lot. Same with this, although we do actually have 1, I'll give you a second, but I can tell you where at least one of the ones is already, which is that there's a 1 here. Now, the reason I say that is because this line here is missing 2 numbers. It's missing 1, and it's also missing 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. It's missing 9. So we know that 1 cannot be here, so 1 goes here. Let me just double check. I think that's right, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, and so then 9 goes here. But then we continue with that, so 1 can't go here, and as we spot out, it can't be here or here, so it's in one of 2 places, but we still don't know which. 1 cannot be here, but it could be any of those. And then here we have no idea. Again, this one we know it's 1 of 3, but beyond that, no clue, and we know it's in 1 of 3 here. Okay, so then on to 2, I do the same thing. And this one we know where 2 is here, so there's no 2 in this row or in this row, so it's in one of those 2, and then it's not in this one because of that 2 there, so 2. 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, 2 and 2. It's one of these 3 crossed out by this one and this one, so it's here. There's a 2 here, there's a 2 here, there's a 2 here. Don't ask me why I do it in this order, it's just the order I do it in. So there's none here or here, and it's in one of these 2, but it's not here because of this 2, so there's a 2 here, and I think that's all the 2's in the puzzle. Okay, so we do the same thing with 3's, but there's 3 here and a 3 here, which is great because they're full, but it also tells us that there's a 3 here. And also, brilliant, tells us there's a 3 up here because that crosses out there. No 3, no 3, no 3, so it's in one of 2, we still don't know which. 3 here we know is down to 2 places, but we still don't know which one. And then it's in the rest of the puzzle. Okay, 4. 4, we look here, we know that it's in one of 2 places, we're not sure which. We know it's in one of 3 here, it's in these 2, then we go to here, we go, nope, nope. We know it's in one of 3, we don't know which. 4 and 4 there. Cross out 4 here, not a clue in this row. But we do know in this column, or in this box, sorry, that 4 is here because it crosses out both of those because of that 4 and that 4. Okay, so 5. I could complete this quicker if I was really like not talking through my thoughts, but I just, Okay, so 5, and I keep going round and round basically until it becomes really close to being done. So, sorry folks, I didn't mean to shake you about like that. Okay. So 5, we're on 5. In this one we basically don't know, we get no information here. Same here. Same here, there's not a lot for 5, well, although we do know here, because 5's not here, 5 is here, which also tells us while we're here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's a 9 here. But yeah, so 5 plus 5 and 5 leaves these 2, and then this one crosses that one out, which means there's a 5 here, which is grand. There's a 5 there, and there's a 5 there and there, which means there's a 5 here, which I think, I'm trying to figure out if we can go back and figure out where the 5 is based on that. I don't know that we can. We know the 5's in one of those 2, we know 5's in one of these three. We know that it's up here. Yeah, I think that's all we got on it right now. That's fine. Okay, 6's, so we know that 6 crosses out here. But actually, okay, what we do know is that 6 in one of these two places, because we know that it can't, in this row, it can't go in these two, so it has to go in these two. So we know in this box in one of these two places. There's 6 here. We know that 6 also similarly to the other thing, because 6 is crossed out here, we know it's in this column, but we don't know further. 6 here, we literally is crossed out from this middle row here, but other than that, we've not a clue. It's crossed out here, but other than that, we've not a clue. I don't think we have anything on 6 in box 7, do we? No. Okay. And then back to here we have zilch, and then up here again. No bois. Okay. So 7. 7's far more populated. So 7, 7, 7, 7. There's not one here, so it's in one of these two spots, but we don't know which. Down here, we know it's in one of two spots. Although actually no, that's not true. We know that 7, so we know 7's in this row, so 7's crossed out of this lot, and then also these two, which means 7's here. Fantastic. Okay. We know 7's in one of these two, but again, no further. Let's see. Okay. So we don't know where 7 is in this lot. We know it's not here, up here, but that's about it. So 8. 8 and 8. Oh, brilliant. Okay, first of all, we know that 8's up here because this cancels those other options out. 8 here is 8 and 8. And okay, so it's crossed out. This one, this one, this one, and this one basically cross it out here. So we know that 8's there. Fantastic. And obviously 8's here. We don't know where, again, 8's in one of, oh no, actually we do. Not 8 isn't here or here or here. So we know that it's here. I'm going to actually write that in properly. There we go. And then obviously 8's in those two. Okay, fantastic. Then we got 9. So we know 9 is in box 9 in column 9 in box 9. But we don't have any further information. Then we go up here and we know, oh, actually no, that's not true. We know that 9 isn't there, but it's not lots. We know that 9 isn't here, but we have no other inclination. 9's here, so it's not here or here, which means we know it's in one of those two, but again, we don't know. 9, 9, 9, and then we know 9's up here. Okay, and then we'll go back literally to square one. Well, not literally to square one, but literally to the digit one. I don't always do this. Sometimes if I see something that points out at me, oh, actually, yeah, well, we are technically still going back to 1, because look in this, in row 5 here, or column 5, sorry. This is row 5, column 5. Well, both, really. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which means we're missing 1. And also in doing that, we've unleashed whatever's in column 5 too. So 1, 2, 3, I think it's 4, is it? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes. So there's a 4 there. Brilliant. Okay. So let's see. Again, annoyingly, this isn't actually super helpful right now. I mean, it's filled in. That's good. But so with 1 here, we don't know. We know that 1's not there. That 1 is in one of those two. 1, 1. We know that 1's in one of these two, but we don't know which. Not a clue for this, for box 7. Yeah, again, we don't have any information here. We know, oh no, actually that's not true. So cross that out and we know that 1's here, which then gives us the information that 1 is in one of these two spots. So then 2, 2, 2. I think we've got all the 2's, do we? Yeah, okay. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3's in one of these two spots. But right now we don't know where that is because it's also in one of these two spots. So we've got a great X-wing here. Then it's here and here and here. Okay, that's fine. So we've just got the X-wing left for 3's. Then for 4s. We know that 4 doesn't go here or here, so it's in one of these two spots. Then with here we literally just know it's not there, and other than that, that's it. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and then we get to here. Again, we know 4 is not there or there, so it's in either of those, but we're not sure which. And then obviously 4 is there. So 5 feels, oh, we still don't know where 5 is out of these two. Okay, well, 5's in one of these two spots. And then we get, yeah, and then here, oh, well, that's, oh, I've just noticed this. Okay, brilliant. So first of all, we know now that 5 is here, but also this is only missing one digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So this is a 6. Brilliant. Okay, so anyway, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So that's, are we missing 2 5s? Yeah, because we don't know which one it is here, and we still don't know. No 5's in one of these two places, but we still know which. Okay, so 6, we know 6 and 6, but it's still, it could be either of these. 6, 6. Okay, sorry about that, folks. So anyway, I was looking at 6's, wasn't I? Okay. We know 6 in, well, we don't actually know anything about it here, do we? No, not a thing. And then in this, is that nail polish or something? Okay. In box 8, we don't know anything either. And then in box 7, also, we know nothing. We know it has to be in one of these 3 positions, but I don't think we know anything more than that. And then, yeah, we don't know here. And then here we don't know either. Okay, 7. 7, 7, 7, 7. Again, it's still one of these two, but I still don't know which is frustrating. Okay. 7's there. We know it's not there, so we know that. Oh, actually, yeah, we've got a 7 here because these two both have 7's. Which solves our little problem in this column, because if we cross 7 out here, it's only in box 4. It's only in row 6. So if we cross out both of row 6's, oh no, wait, yes. I mean, that's what I said is true, that helps us, but it doesn't actually solve it, which is frustrating. So we know it's in one of those two, but we don't know which yet. Okay. Wait, actually, do we know, on what worth Arnold am I talking? So 7's don't go there or there, which means it's there. My brain just broke for a moment. And we also know up here that that's where 7 is. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 goes here. That is helpful, because if we cross that out, it's the same thing as before, but the other way. So 6 in one of these two, which means it's in row 6 again. So we cross 6 out being both of those, so 6 is here. Fantastic. Okay. So around this point, I kind of just start looking for stuff, or I'll start looking at rows. But first of all, I've noticed this here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So this is the 6 that we're looking for. Yeah, I start to just look for rows or columns or boxes that don't have a lot left that feel like they could have. So for example, down here, I've noticed that the 6 is here. This box has 6 in it, so you cross 6 up there and then down and down. So 6 is here. And then also because of that, we now know that 6 is here and then 1 is here, which I think also, yes, brilliant. Okay, so now we know that 1, it can cross out of these two and of this one. We know that 1 is here. We also know that 1 is here, so then 1, 2, I think, is it 3? Yeah, 3 goes here. And then, because we know 3 goes here, we also know that 3 goes here, and then we also know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 goes here. Yeah, we're kind of just getting at the point now where lots of stuff becomes very clear. So for example, let's see, come on. So ones, that's great. So there's a 1 here, which also tells us there's a 1 here. So let's just look at boxes now. So 1, 2, 3, where does 4 go? Do we know? We know that 4 goes on one of these. Do we know that 4 goes here? 5, we don't have 5. We know that 5 goes here, which we could have got from the row anyway. And then 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we know that 9 goes here. Which also actually, we cross 9 out of here and here, we know 9 goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, we just placed 4. And there's a 4 there, so 4, 5, I think. Yeah, 5 goes here. And then literally all we have left is this box, so we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have a complete sudoku.